Solution. Chemistry of reaction. Sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid to give sodium chloride plus H2O. Using the formula MAVA over MBVB equal to 1 over 1. We have substituting, we have 0.01 times 25 all over MB times 25, which gives us 1 over 1. Making MB the subject of the formula, we have 25 over 20 equals to 1.25 molarity. Therefore, molarity of the acid is equals to 1.25 molarity. Example 13. What volume of a 0.1 molarity monobasic acid would react with 20 cm cube of sodium hydroxide containing 1.5 gram of alkali in 250 cm cube? Solution. 250 cm cube of solution contains 1.5 gram of sodium hydroxide. Therefore, 1000 cm cube or 1 dm cube of solution 1000 times 1.5 all over 250 gram of sodium hydroxide will give us 6 gram of sodium hydroxide. Relative molar mass of sodium hydroxide is equal to 40. Therefore, molarity of sodium hydroxide using the formula MAVA over MBVB equals to 1 over 1. Making substituting, we have 0.1 times VA all over 0.15 times 20 to give us 1 over 1. Making VA the subject of the formula, we have the 0.15 times 20 all over 0.1 giving us 30 cm cube. Therefore, volume of 0.1 molarity acid requires 30 cm cube. Example 14. What mass of sodium hydroxide would be needed to neutralize exactly 200 cm cube of a solution containing 49 grams tetraoxosulfate 6 acid per dm cube? Solution. Chemistry of reaction. 2 mole of sodium hydroxide plus tetraoxosulfate 6 acid to give us sodium tetraoxosulfate 6 plus 2 moles of water. Combining masses is, we have 2 times 40 molar mass of sodium hydroxide plus 98 molar mass of tetraoxosulfate 6. Number of moles of sodium hydroxide in equation is equals to 2. Number of moles of tetraoxosulfate 6 in equation is 1. Molarity of sodium of tetraoxosulfate 6 is equals to 49 over 98, which will give us 0.5 molarity. 1 mole of tetraoxosulfate 6 acid require 80 gram of sodium hydroxide. Therefore, 0.5 molarity of tetraoxosulfate 6 acid will require 0.5 times 80 gram of sodium hydroxide to give us 40 gram of sodium hydroxide. 1000 cm cube of 0.5 molarity requires tetraoxosulfate 6 requires 40 gram of sodium hydroxide. 200 times 40 over 1000 gram of sodium hydroxide to give 8 gram of sodium hydroxide. Therefore, mass of sodium hydroxide needed for complete reaction is equal to 8 grams. Example 15. 6.16 gram of iron completely react with 1000 cm cube of 2.2 molarity hydrogen chloride acid. Write the equation for the reaction and calculate the relative atomic mass of iron. Solution. Equation. Iron plus 2 mole of hydrogen chloride to give iron chloride plus hydrogen. From the above equation, 1 mole of iron requires 2 moles of hydrogen chloride for complete reaction. 100 cm cube of 2.2 molarity of hydrogen chloride requires 6.16 gram of iron for complete reaction. Therefore, 1000 cm cube of 2.2 mole of hydrogen chloride will require 1000 times 6.6 over 100, which give us 61.6 gram of iron from complete reaction. But 2.2 molarity hydrochloric requires 61.6 gram of iron for complete reaction. Therefore, 2 molarity hydrochloric acid will require 2 over 2.2 times 61.6 gram of iron for complete reaction, equal to 56 gram of iron. Hence, 1 mole of iron equals to 56 gram. Therefore, relative atomic mass of iron is equal to 56. Example 16. 2.86 gram of washing soda NaCO2 SH2O were dissolved in 100 cm cube of water. 12.15 cm cube of this solution neutralized in 24.5 cm cube. 0.1 molarity of hydrochloric. Calculate I, molarity of the base. II, percent of water of crystallization in washing soda. III, the number of molecules of crystallization in the tetraoxide carbonate. 4. Solution. Chemistry of the reaction. Na2CO3 SH2O plus 2HCl give 2 NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus SH2O. Using the formula MAVA over MBVB equals to 2 over 1, we get 0.1 times 24.5 all over MB times 12.5 will give us 2 over 1. Therefore, MB is equal to 0.1 times 24.5 over 12.5 times 22 times 2 will give us 0.098 molarity. Therefore, molarity of base is equal to 0.098 molarity. III 1000 cm cube containing 0.098 mole of base. Therefore, 1000 cm cube will contain 0.098 times 100 all over 1000 will give us 0.01 mole of base. Molarity of 100 cm cube of sodium dioxide carbonate is equal to 0.01 molarity. Molar mass of anhydrous sodium dioxide carbonate 4 is equal to 106 gram. Therefore, mass of 0.01 mole of sodium trioxide carbonate 4 is equal to 106 times 0.01 gram, giving us 1.06 gram. Mass of water of crystallization is equal to 2.86 minus 1.06 gram, which gives us 1.80 gram. Percentage of water of crystallization in washing soda is 1.80 over 2.86 times 100, which is giving us 63%. Molar ratio of sodium tetraoxide carbonate to water is equal to 1.06 over 106 is to 1.80 over 18, which is equal to 0.01 is to 0.1, which is equal to 1 is to 10. This means that in 1 mole of sodium dioxide carbonate 4, there are 10 moles of water. Therefore, what number of molecule of water of crystallization is 10.